bought a NASCAR and I'm going to turn it street legal. We obviously have some issues, like no headlights, taillights. There's not even a motor in it. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, and this is how we're going to do it. So the first steps to get this thing road legal was find a donor vehicle with a good clean title. So I found a truck. I know it doesn't really make sense, but it will once we get into it. Basically, we got to get the cab off of the truck without the firewall or floor. No clue how it's gonna go. We're just gonna start cutting. How many bolts did that have on it?
About 100.
100 bolts?
Yeah. Oh, there's two more. We forgot two.
Oh.
See? All them bolts in there come from the fender.
All one fender.
Chevy, what were you doing?
We have cut all the way around. Firewall and floor pan of the S-10 is staying in. Now we're gonna lift the cab off. We should be able to still drive this, but it only took like 20 minutes to do this. What do you think?
I think we need the pry bar now.
Yeah?
Just catching it.
We got a pretty big problem. It's catching everywhere, but it'll be all right. We have successfully pulled the cab off of the S-10, and the cab is up there. Now that we have the cab, hood, fenders all off, we can get to the easy part, or the hard part. It's all gonna be hard. Shame, but I gotta pull the body off this NASCAR to make this thing street legal. So here goes to pulling the body off of this Chevy Lumina. To make this thing street legal, we don't need 4-door bars, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. Alright, now that we have the car pretty much completely apart, we're ready to try and get this cab on. Been doing a ton of cutting, but it's getting there. Well, the cab is on. The cage is way too short. Gotta cut the cage out. Well, we ran into a big problem. We did not plan to cut our NASCAR apart this far. This really sucks, but We had to do it because the entire cab was too far back. The cage was too short. It just didn't work. So I just cut it all out. Now that it's all cut off, I gotta manage to get everything lined back up. Our cab, fenders, and the box. So that's the next step. Let's get this cab on. We did it, and look where we're at. We're sitting in a chassis, right?
Yeah, we're making her European at first, though.
Yeah, our steering wheel, we got to do some adjustment, but let's show you what we got. Well, we got us a NASCAR truck.
S-10.
Yep, we had to cut 2 inches out of the bed, but you can see the wheelbase completely lines up, and we did it. We had to do way more cutting than we actually needed to, but, well, we had to. I don't know, what do you think, Mom?
I think she's going together nicely.
Alright, we are going to take our new chassis, that's a convertible, and go on our Sunday stroll. Yeah, let's get some... Alright. Hit the belt. Oh, you're good. Hit the shroud. Give her a go again. We have successfully cut apart a perfectly good NASCAR, a perfectly good S-10 to combine it into one. So the next time you guys see us, we will be building custom seats that are fully handcrafted aluminum that I'll be building. We're gonna assemble the motor that's gonna go in this bad boy. And I think that's it. Oh, and the cage. But until then, do it for Dale.